Hey, welcome back. This is Life's a Bag, and I hope that you've been here before, and I hope you find it enjoyable. Please do like, subscribe, and hit the little bell for notifications to help my new little channel grow. So today, without any further ado, I have an unboxing. This is my very first Chanel purchase. And I got a Bandeau. Now, this is way more important than the Bandeau. You see, I don't have a Chanel near me, deeply seated in the Midwest. And so in order to buy Chanel, you have to have bought Chanel. So this little Bandeau opens up a world of opportunity for me in terms of what I can now purchase from Chanel. So, it's just a pink Bandeau with some flowers on it, and it's the same on both sides, which I like, because sometimes I like the Bandeaus that have, you know, opposing sides, except the need for symmetry in my soul kind of gets bothered when they get tied on or wrapped or what have you, and the patterns kind of all, you know, it just kind of drives me crazy. So let's go ahead and tie it on, because I learned a new way to tie bandeaus, and I wanted to share it with you in case you didn't know either. So we'll try to do this. I'll use this bag. So what you're going to do is you'll tie it around your handle. At approximately the midpoint. Let's kind of move. We're just learning here, and I haven't done this backwards, so it might take a couple times for me. Okay, so it's theoretically tied, right? And so what you're going to do is you're going to take this ribbon, and then you're going to fold it backwards, okay? So like if you were facing it, and then you just take this one and you loop it through the front, okay? And then you pull that back part like this, and then you're going to have to fuss with it a bit, but you're going to be amazed at how nearly it looks instantly. Okay, so that was my new way of tying a bow that I think produces a beautiful result. And if you know of any other ways to tie bandeaus, please, by all means, share it with me. And then we will get to this bag in another video. Thanks so much for stopping by, and I hope you enjoyed it.